In this video, I'm going to share with you a change I made last week that re-energised and refreshed the way I look at my YouTube channel and growth, and how I found renewed motivation to keep pushing forward, because I get frustrated with it, just like you probably do. There's so much advice out there for growing a YouTube channel, some good, some not so much. But the truth is simple, it takes time. Viral overnight success isn't normal, and most of the people who find it can't even explain how it happened. Maybe you're tired of seeing other creators' videos take off while yours barely move, or frustrated by gurus promising 1,000 subs in a week, only to realise their advice has no real substance, nothing actionable, or worse, you're already doing everything they suggest and it's still not working. And then there's the algorithm, that mythical beast that never seems to make sense. You know who your videos are for, you optimise everything, yet YouTube just doesn't seem to get it. The impressions aren't coming, the views don't follow, and you hit that wall, wondering if this is all really worth it. Here's the truth. Discipline, consistency, small improvements, and strong habits are what actually get you there. It might not happen as fast as you want, but those are the things that you can control. The hard part? Most people give up before they reach that point. I felt that way too. YouTube is a series of ups and downs. One week you feel unstoppable, then your next 3 videos flop. So what do you do when that happens? When you feel like giving up? Where do you find the strength to keep going? For me, I found a simple answer, and it completely changed how I look at things. Let's go back to last Thursday. It was what I'd call a down week. After a period of growth, my momentum had slowed. I felt stuck in YouTube no man's land. My last few videos underperformed, and I felt uncertain. Should I make another video that might also flop, or step back and reassess? I chose the second option, and here's what I realised. Sometimes you need to change things up, try something new, or simply just take a break for a moment. But most importantly, you need to remember why you're here. What's your reason for doing this? What are you trying to achieve? What kind of life are you building? Because when your why is strong enough, and when the alternative is unbearable, your path becomes clear, and nothing can stand in your way. So here's my why. In my old job, I had freedom, something I valued my entire life. I worked in one of the most beautiful areas in Stockholm, and I was grateful for it. But when my entire team was laid off after 25 years, I faced a choice: move backwards or find a way forwards. My job was unique, specialised, and irreplaceable. There's nothing else like it. So I had to make a decision: accept going backwards or create my own next level. To me, there was no real choice. I had to build something new. At 47 years old, what I value now the most is freedom. Freedom to set my own schedule, to work for myself, not for someone who decides what my time is worth. I had a successful career, consistently top of my field, with awards no one else in my department had ever received. But when decisions are made by people far removed from you, you're just another number on a spreadsheet, disposable. So no, I don't want to go back to that. Now I work for myself. Will I succeed before I have to go back to traditional work? I can't say for sure, but I have to try, because waiting at the end of the struggle, stress and doubt is the future that I want. The freedom to walk in the forest with no schedule, to stop and just be still, to choose when and where I work, to be home when my kids need me, to handle the simple everyday things while everyone else is tied to work hours, schedules and deadlines, and to do meaningful work that helps others. It's a simple set of ideals, but it's everything to me. When I filmed the B-roll for this video, it hit me how lucky I am to be doing this. I was free to wander, to create, to find the beauty around me, while everyone else was rushing to deadlines. I woke up and decided what my day would look like. I made a change, and it felt amazing. So take a moment to think about your why. Write it down, or make a video about it. Because when things get tough, that's what will keep you going. Your why is the dream you're working towards. And if you give up, you're not just giving up on your channel, you're giving up on that dream that future. So tell me in the comments, what is your why? Why are you here doing this? What's the life you're trying to build? When you're clear on that, you'll see that quitting isn't an option. No compromise, no negativity, no quitting.